Last week, the markets had a major change of investor sentiment, which was evident here in what we call the MorningStar signal. A big down day with doji. In this case, it had two dojis, and the third day closes more than halfway up this candle. When it closes up this far, that definitely shows there's been a change of investor sentiment, which can be very symmetrically viewed here. Also, it closed above the T-line, which told us we were in an uptrend until they can close it back below the T-line. The Dow pulled back today, but not with a selling signal, just with a bearish day. It will be important to see whether they can hold the market above the T-line tomorrow. The Nasdaq showed more weakness in that it did a bearish engulfing signal that did make it close back below the T-line. So it'll be very important to see how this market opens tomorrow, because if we're in an uptrend, they will need to open the Nasdaq positive and trade it positive to stay above the T-line. If they close it or open it lower and start taking it back down, we could still be in this downward trend, especially because they're back below the T-line. The results of a fry pan bottom are pretty well reliable to have the same results over and over. Notice in Omar, O-M-E-R, how we had this big fry pan bottom. And then we had this small rounding bottom that eventually pushed us through the breakout area, the beginning of the fry pan bottom. Today we were up even further, which is a result of a fry pan bottom breakout, in light of the market being down 140 points. It can be seen in ECYT, how the fry pan bottom is still curling this up, which means it's producing new energy or inside energy, and it didn't trade off that much despite what the market did. And also it can be seen in ARNA, coming out of this little rounding bottom, and then today they gapped it up through this resistance level. Looks like they could take this one much higher. But the proof of the pudding is the market was very weak, and there was strength being shown in this price pattern. That'll be it. We'll hope to see you in the chat room of the Candlestick Forum.